Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the transfer limit for BrioDirect. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what BrioDirect is. BrioDirect is a mobile banking app that allows you to send and receive money from your smartphone. It's a great way to pay bills, transfer money to friends and family, and even get paid for your work. What is the transfer limit for BrioDirect? The transfer limit for BrioDirect is N100,000 per day. This means that you can send or receive up to N100,000 in a single day. How can I increase my transfer limit? If you need to transfer more than N100,000 in a day, you can contact BrioDirect customer support. They will be able to help you increase your transfer limit. What are the benefits of using BrioDirect? There are many benefits to using BrioDirect. Here are a few of the most notable. It's convenient. You can send and receive money from your smartphone at any time, from anywhere in the world. It's secure. BrioDirect uses advanced security measures to protect your money. It's affordable. There are no fees for using BrioDirect. How can I sign up for BrioDirect? Signing up for BrioDirect is easy. All you need to do is download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once you have the app installed, you can create an account and start using it. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. In addition to the information above, I would also like to add that BrioDirect is available to all Nigerians. You do not need to be a customer of a particular bank to use BrioDirect. I would also like to encourage you to check out the BrioDirect website for more information. Thank you for watching.